Hi, my name is Roberto, and today it's Wednesday, December the 8th. Today we're gonna do a quick trade using auto binary signals. As you can see, I have already logged into the auto binary signals members area, and I'm checking this USD CHF asset that has a trend expectancy of 87%. The direction is up, and it's colored in pink, which means that this is a perfect match. A perfect match happens when both the main ABS strategy, shown here, and the Pro strategy, as shown here, both conclude at exactly the same time that certain asset, in this case the USD CHF, will go in a certain direction, in this case upwards. All of this makes this signal to be extremely reliable and precise. And that's why you should always trade it big. And having said that, in case you're wondering how to gain access to these amazing signals and to the Pro Strategy service, you can do that easily by just clicking on top of the Pro Strategies tab on the Auto Binary Signals members area and follow a few easy instructions. And having said that, what do you say if we wait for a few seconds until this position closes? The position is now closed, and as it was expected, it was in the money, and we got a payout of $165. That's more than $1 per second of net profit. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. That has been that for now. Thank you. Goodbye.